Hello everyone again. We are here. We are now in Boston, Massachusetts. We're staying at the Canopy Hilton. This is up like a northern area, like right near the wharf, that kind of area. We are on the 6th floor, room 634. We're in a 2-queen, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you the room tour. She's currently going through all the drawers here. Right when you walk in, you've got this area here. You can set your luggage down right here. There's some drawers for storage, and then there's a handheld steamer right there if you need to steam some stuff. That's pretty cool. A little bit of storage at the bottom, a few coat racks, some storage up top, coat hooks. It's kind of a different little thing here. Oh, got a safe. The number one thing I always look for is the safe. We have it. We've got some Nespresso machine here. It's like these are the older pods though. Like these aren't the domed ones, but those are cool. We got a refrigerator. Is that a fridge? Yeah, those look like a little fridge, a little ice box or something. We're gonna come on here into the bathroom. Hello, there's me. All right, so we have a little granite countertop. We got a sink with some storage here and some plugs right next door. And these are the amenities that they use here. And we have the walk-in shower. You know, I love my walk-in shower. Look at this. This is actually, I haven't seen this before in a shower. That's pretty nice. Look at that. Hello. Cool little thing here, little back washer. You don't really see these unless you're in like, the only time I've seen one of these in a hotel is London. Like that's about it. And here's the controls right here, so you don't have to reach across, I guess, to turn it on and off. Again, there is the amenities right there. Of course, you got your toilet. I feel like they maybe could have made this a tad bigger, man, you know? Make it a little bit bigger, but I do like the walk-in shower. I dig it, I dig it. Let's come out here into the actual room. We've got the full length, almost full length there, pretty much full length there. Right here, and then here are the beds. We've got our 2-queen, 1 and 2. We've got the little clock radio as usual. Let's see, we got a USB here. And that's it, no other USBs, but there are some plugs right here on the sides of the thing here. I don't think this is storage. No, that's just a regular old thing. We got a desk here. Got some USBs. We got USB-C. We got 2 regular USBs. Actually, that looks like that thing that's actually broken. Someone ripped that out. 2 plugs there. They have breakfast. Says it right there, Monday to Friday, 6 a.m., and then Saturday, 7 a.m. And then these are the keys, actually. These are cool little keys. They're made out of wood. That's pretty neat. Some art on the walls. And then here's the view we have right here. This is our view. Right here, we have a little bit of a view of the Union Oyster House. There's a pizza pub, bar, and grill. I'm not even sure if that place is even open anymore. There's an Irish pub down there. It looks like it's called Dirty Nelly. Right there, got a little thing. Got a view of a fish market as well. But there we go. That is the Canopy right here in Boston, the 2-queen. Now she's getting in my thumbnail shot. I guess she's gonna be in the thumbnail now. All right. Oh, look, there's an actual canopy above the bed. Maybe is that why they call it canopy? Because I just noticed that. A little canopy above the bed. Look at that. Some cool little artwork there. But yeah, we're gonna be here for a couple nights. You know, doing a little bit of vlogging here and there. But that's all we got for you guys. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite vacation destination and maybe we'll make it there. But, you know, as always, tripping ain't easy, but a show is fun.